I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials so you can access more quests immediately. Sign into your Microsoft account and verify your email. Once done, make sure your rewards profile is active and set to an eligible region. Install Microsoft Edge and sign in to sync across devices because many new quests appear only in Edge. Also check privacy and add settings to allow personalized offers. This increases the relevance and frequency of quest assignments. Once your account and browser are ready, actively trigger quests by using the services Microsoft tracks. Perform targeted Bing searches on suggested topics and reach daily search limits on PC and mobile. This often spawns bonus quests. Use Edge features like collections and the shopping sidebar to unlock activity quests. Regularly open the rewards dashboard to accept quizzes, polls, and streak challenges. Accepting tasks quickly is key because some are timed. To finish, maximize earning by spreading activity across devices and following weekly panels that highlight high-value quests. Prioritize tasks with bigger point returns and maintain streaks for bonus multipliers. If quests go missing, clear browser cache, sign out and sign back in, and confirm your account region and rewards eligibility. These steps resolve most sync issues. If problems persist, briefly disable conflicting browser extensions, then re-enable them after verifying quests reappear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.